Today I'm gonna show you how to create beautiful ropes for your model that follow naturally and without fluff using beeswax. I use a small electric stove to heat the wax on a metal cap. Wax is very important for this work, in fact I use raw natural virgin beeswax. Be careful, because on the market you can find beeswax mixed with other stuff and they are not good for this purpose. You can find the one I used for this video in the description below. After melting the wax at 45–50 degrees Celsius with the stove off, I soak a piece of paper and wrap the rope. On the web there are literally thousands of ways to do this, even with diluted white glue, but in my case I found this procedure faster and with a nicer looking results. To remove the wax in excess, I go over with a dry piece of paper. Thanks to this procedure, the cable will have no lint and can get any shape you want. This method can also be used on commercial ropes such as the Amati ones. If you liked the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you!